Walking is one of the simplest and most accessible forms of exercise. It is free, it doesn't require any special equipment, it can be done almost everywhere. Plus, it is a fantastic way to improve your health. From boosting your mood to helping with weight management and improving cardiovascular fitness. But just like anything else, it is possible to overdo it. So, how much walking is too much? Let's explore this question and find out how to strike the perfect balance for your well-being. So let's start with the benefits of walking. Before we dive into potential downsides of too much walking, let's highlight some of the incredible benefits. 1, it improves cardiovascular health. Walking strengthens the health, reduces the risk of heart disease, and lowers blood pressure. 2, it promotes weight management. Regular walking can help maintain a healthy weight and aid in weight loss. 3, it boosts mental health. Walking reduces endorphins, which can improve your mood and reduce stress and anxiety. 3, it enhances joint points. Walking increases blood flow to tense areas and strengthens muscles around joints, which can help elevate pain from conditions like arthritis. Now, the final one, it increases longevity. Studies have shown that regular walkers tend to live longer, healthier lives. With so many benefits, it might seem like more walking is always better. However, there are limits to how much walking is beneficial. Now, let's look at some of the signs. Now, what are these signs? Walking is generally safe and low impact. Excessive walking can lead to overuse injuries and other issues. Well, here are some signs that you might be overdoing it. Let's start with number 1, persistent pain or discomfort. If you experience consistent pain in your feet, legs, hips, or backs, it might be a sign that you are walking too much. Overuse injuries like plantar fasciitis, shin splints, and stress fractures can occur when you push your body too high without adequate rest. Number 2, excessive fatigue. Feeling unusually tired after walking could indicate that you are overexerting yourself. While it is normal to feel some fatigue after a long walk, excessive tiredness can impact your daily activities. This is a sign of a red flag. Difficulty in recovering. If you find that your muscles are sore for an extended period after walking, or you are struggling to recover between walks, it might be a time to scale back in your walking routines. Number 4, decreased performance. If your walking speed or distance is decreasing despite consistent effort, it might be a sign that your body needs more rest and recovery time before you continue the walking. Then the final one, which is the 5th one, mood changes. Exercise is supposed to boost your mood, but too much can have the opposite side effect. If you notice increased irritability, mood swings, or a lack of motivation, it might be a time to reduce your walking routine. All right. Now, what is the ideal walking routine now? So let's find out. So, how much walking is just right? The answer varies depending on your fitness level, health status, and goals. Here are some guidelines to help you find the perfect balance. Let's start with the first one. Start slow. Yes, of course, you had to start slow. If you are new to walking, start with shorter, manageable distance and gradually increase your walking time and intensity. Aiming for like 20 to 30 minutes a day is a good starting point. The second one, listen to your body. Pay attention to how your body feels during and after walks. If you experience pain, excessive fatigue, or other warning signs, adjust your routine accordingly. Third one, incorporate sleep rest days. Just like any other form of exercise, rest is crucial. Make sure to incorporate rest days into your routine to allow your body to recover and prevent overuse injuries. The fourth one, mix it up. Now, what do I mean by mixing it up? To avoid overuse injuries, like we talked about earlier, keep your routine interesting, mix up your walking routines, incorporate other forms of exercise like cycling, swimming, and strength training. That's a good one too. Now, the fifth one, set realistic goals. Set achievable goals can help you stay motivated while overdoing it. whether it's a certain number of steps per day or walking a specific distance each week. Having clear goals can guide your walking routine. So after all this is said and done, now what do you think is right for you? Well, walking is a fantastic way to stay active and healthy, but it's essential to have or find the right balance. Why there's no one size fits, all answer is how much walking is too much. Paying attention to your body and incorporating the rest and variety into your routine can help you enjoy the benefits of walking without drawbacks. Remember, the key to a successful fitness regime is what? Consistency, moderation, and listening to your body. Well, happy listening, guys. See you soon.